Introduction to the Playlist page. You can navigate to the playlist page by selecting the third item down on the left-hand side menu. Once you're on this page, you will see a list of all the playlists assigned to your account. You can use the search bar to search for a playlist. You can also use the filtering tools at the top to sort your playlists, either by the status of the playlist, the number of items inside the playlist, the number of screens the playlist is associated with, or the date it was last updated. To create a new playlist, go ahead and hit the Create Playlist button in the top right corner. Go ahead and enter the name of your new playlist and hit Save. You can see that this playlist is in draft mode, which means it is not published and or assigned to a screen. In the next video, we'll learn how to add content to a playlist.